Take him. All right, TBI.
On December 21, 2024, Officer Burton with the Oklahoma City Police Department was assisting with a broken-down vehicle when he saw a red Jeep pass by with a woman hanging out of the rear driver's side door screaming for help. Burton sprung into action and began tailing the vehicle.
Yeah, we're still eastbound coming up to Kelly.
Your call has been updated.
Looks like it's occupied at least 2 or 3 times.
Are you?
Yeah, they're pulling us now. I don't know what to do with this. They're picking up speeds. We're about 60. Still eastbound going through Body. I don't know if this girl is kidnapped or what, but yeah, going against traffic, red light at Prospect.
Your call has been updated.
Are you 1033?
Still eastbound, red light Jordan, outside lane.
Your call has been updated.
You got a return on that tag. Red light key. Still eastbound. I'm clear. I'm just trying to keep it inside. And what was, I saw that traffic trouble. What did it say? Still eastbound over I-35. Red light Ryan. Speed's still about, my speed's 25. They're probably doing about 60 or 70. They're going into oncoming traffic. I'm going to try to keep it inside. Is there one up?
Because we don't know if she's trying to get out and kidnapping or something different.
Yeah, she's got the door shut now, but I don't know what the deal is.
Does the front passenger seat they're trying to get out?
The rear driver's side passenger.
Yeah, the original going for 17 that was screaming, trying to get out.
Yeah, that's what she was trying to look like she was doing, but I don't know what the deal is. Eyes Midwest City, Del City. Nope, we're gonna go Southlands.
Your call has been updated.
Down River
Road on the east side I-35.
Okay. I can do try again to clarify. Are you managing?
224 is a minute. Okay, we're going on the service. Let's go his mark. Going up to 16 there pretty soon. Hey, Burton, looks like in front of you. See if I can get him in the corner.
Yeah. East on 16th for my third grand.
You guys need OHP's help.
Coming up to right. They're going to be a screener, stop sign, and then north of the Right up to 23rd Street, if anyone's up there, try to shut it down.
Hey, unit behind me, are you TBI certified? I guess you don't have to look it up, do you?
Yeah, Burton, it's me. It's me. I'll try to get him here in a second. We're going.
He's gonna figure. Not trying to get up to the
Take him. All right, TBI.
All right, TBI.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands right now! Show me your hands now! Go and start Imsa this way. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Driver, get out of the car! Driver, get out of the car! Hey, ma'am, come back to us! Come back to us! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Hey!
Go back to them. Go back to them.
Is anyone else in the car?
Step out of the car.
Step out! Keep your hands up!
Hey, show us your hands!
I got 40.
He's running! Hey, show me your
Hey, show me your hands! Get out of the car!
He's running! He's running! No! No! Hey, he's running eastbound. Get the cars up here. He's trying to.
He's running eastbound.
Stop!
Don't let him get you. Hey, get off my gun. Get off my gun.
Gun! He doesn't have it. He doesn't
Get your
have
hands.
it. It's free. Is the car clear? I didn't check it. Go check.
Hey, check the car. Yeah, I'm good. I'm just hanging out.
You are stupid.
Hey, get off Richards.
You're good. I'm good right here.
You are Richard.
Easy. Stop touching me, please.
Sorry.
Hey, are you good, dude?
Get up.
Hey, I did not clear his pockets. Yes. All right.
Yeah.
He's in custody.
Yeah, mine are down there.
No, I was just trying to help you.
All right, let's get this off the ground. Let your feet, man. Separate your feet. Bro, you gotta keep going on there, bro. Camera's on. I don't know whose car that is.
I guess Richards in.
Mine's disabled. I'll tell you that.
Okay. Get back off the car a little bit. Oh, quit moving.
Damn. All right, he's good. How does he sit?
Sit down, man. Keep your feet on, bro.
Somebody's car. Here. Sorry.
I don't think so. Yeah, the only place we
He
lost
he reached in the back seat. I don't know what he was doing.
He ran from there to here, correct?
Yeah, from the Jeep, and he ran back.
Once he got out here into open traffic, no, he was going towards another car like he was going to try and jack it like this, and then he stopped and ran.
The suspect, identified as 29-year-old Elijah Sanders, was taken to a hospital in Oklahoma City where he was medically cleared. He was then transported to Oklahoma County Jail. According to the police report, the victim was found with unspecified injuries to her head and face. Officers later discovered that she had been held against her will for the past few days, and that Elijah had assaulted and strangled her during that time. Elijah was charged with kidnapping, domestic assault and battery by strangulation, attempted larceny of an automobile, endangering others while eluding police, assault and battery upon a police officer, threatening an act of violence, and domestic assault and battery. His bond was set at $100,000, which he posted and was released. In early June, the bond was exonerated and Elijah was returned to custody. Elijah was formally arraigned in September, where he entered a not guilty plea. The counts of kidnapping and domestic assault and battery by strangulation were dropped by request of the state, and the trial is scheduled for February 9, 2026. This is not the first time that Elijah has gone to trial after breaking the law. On December 19, 2019, Elijah shot a man twice following an altercation inside the Penn Square Mall. He was found guilty of assault and battery with a deadly weapon and sentenced to 8 months' time served and a $5,000 fine. Elijah is currently at the Oklahoma County Detention Center awaiting trial and is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.